Tayo po, ngayong gabi, nagkakatuwaan tayo, tawa tayo ng tawa, nagkakasaya tayo. Pero, hindi po natin alam na ito po yung anniversary sa Pilipinas ng Yolanda sa Tacloban. So, kahit ngayong gabi tayo nagsasaya sa aming huling awitin, gusto namin mag-alay. At gusto namin kayong hinga ng tulong, gusto namin mag-alay para sa ating mga kababayan sa Tacloban. Gamit ang ilaw ng inyong mga cellphones, ladies and gentlemen, gusto namin kayong makita at makita tayo ng mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas. Itaas na po ang ilaw ng inyong mga cellphones at gusto namin kayong makita. For our last song, para po sa inyo lahat, sabay-sabay tayo mag-alay para sa mga kababayan natin. Tara! Patingin lahat ang ilaw ng mga cellphones nyo! So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others grieve while others curse. And others mourn behind a big black hearse. Some are pure while some have bread. Some are sober while some are wasted. Some are rich because of faith. And some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out while others blend. Some are fat and stout while some are thin. Some are friends while some are foes. Some have some while some have most. Mga kababayan, sabay-sabay! Let's go! Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slope. Take a look at the kaleidoscope. Spin it round, make it twirl in this kaleidoscope world. Sabay-sabay! Some are great, while some are few. Others lie, while some be telling the truth. Some say poems, while some do sing. And others sing through their guitar strings. Some know it all, while some act dumb. Let the bass line strum to the bang of the drums. Some can swing, while some will sing. And some will find their minds and think. Others walk, while others run. You can't talk peace and have a gun. Some are hurt and start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. Some are friends, but some are foes. Some have some, but some have more. Let's go! Every color is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slope. Take a look at the kaleidoscope. Spin it round, make it twirl in this kaleidoscope world. Kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce to you our band. On guitars, 1 and 2, we got Billy Gotti Reyes and Archie Salvador. On bass, we got my man Nenad Cruz. And on drums, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for my man, Jasper Grutas. Sa isa pang pagkakataon, gusto namin makita lahat ng ilaw ng cellphones nyo at marinig kayo umawit ng sabay-sabay, mga kababayan! Sabay-sabay! 1, 2, 1, 2! Every spin around, make it twirl in Ladies and gentlemen, ako po si Glock 9. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. And God bless you all.
Word.